Back to my channel, and now I need to download driver Kyocera TASKalfa, and this here is Surreal, and this here the your type the driver download, and press what and search the official website for you. I am like to download for the official website. The official website not a virus driver and easy to download driver. Okay, this here for the official website, and click here. This one. Okay, this here the printer, and Kyocera TASKalfa. This here is Surya, and you scroll down. This here engine speed, resolution, scan speed. This here time to first print your information. This here for download, and this here for the driver. You click here. Okay, scroll down. And this here we have detect your operating system. This here for auto detect operating system for Windows 8, and you change and you click select operating system. This here for the operating system for the Windows 8, Windows 9, Windows 7. This here for Windows 9.1. This here for Windows Vista, Windows Server support. You scroll down. This here for the Apple support, and this here for Linux driver. And you look in the version. You click here, and this here the print make print driver. This here for support for the version your printer, and this here for the software and not the software. Click here, select the operating system, and you scroll down this video. You need to download Windows driver Kyocera TASKalfa Windows 11. You scroll down. This here for the Linux driver, and this here for the Windows 11 support. Click here. This here we install. Web installation is a web-based platform which automatic the installation of the driver and utility. And this here for the software the driver, and scan to uh, SMB, this setup utility. This here for the scan the driver. This here for information of freeware driver, and which update device freeware. And this here for the Wi-Fi setup tool for the Kyocera Windows 11. And this video you need to download driver full, and if you need to download the Wi-Fi setup, you click here, and this here the download. This video you need to download full the driver, you click here. Okay, this here for the driver download. If you install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and click here. You click open, you double click, you click yes, double click, then you click next or next. This here for the detect automatic for your printer to USB. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. Share my channel. If you need question, comment below. If you need link, below description.